Hey guys, what's good? I'm Horace. Welcome to Yeastar Workplace Tech Talk. I got really good news to share with you guys. Yeastar Meeting Room Booking System now offers two identity authentication methods to your workplace: facial recognition and QR code scanning. In this way, only people with permission can use your meeting room resources. So this feature can greatly improve the productivity and utilization rate of your meeting room resources. In today's video, we will find out together how they work and interact with your system. Firstly, we need to enable this feature. Sign in to your Yeastar Workplace account and switch to the Management portal. Go to the navigation bar and click Meeting Room, then Room Preferences. Scroll down a little and find Identity Authentication Settings. According to your settings, identity authentication will be triggered under following scenarios: check-in, start an instant meeting or book from the room display, or end the meeting room booking earlier. Alright, let's enable both of them and move to the next part. Let's start with the configurations of facial recognition. First of all, enable it here. Then we will see allow storage of face image. Keep it disabled means Yeastar Workplace will only save the facial feature codes but not the face images, which improves the privacy of your users. Now, tick facial recognition in the authentication method window to enable it. Click the Save button to make sure all the settings will take effect. Next, we can start to upload the face images for needed users. Click User Management in the navigation bar, then User and Groups. Find the user and click on Edit. Then hit this Add mark and select the image from the local. Once the upload is successfully done, the corresponding facial feature code will be generated. According to your previous settings, the system will save or delete the facial image automatically. We can also tell which users got a facial feature code successfully on this interface. Another option is to just simply click Import and then find Import Images. Here, we can use the zip file to upload multiple face images at the same time. Now, we have done all the settings. Let's check how it works. Now, before the meeting starts, I'm standing in front of the meeting room and I should click the check-in button on the room display. Once I tap it, the facial recognition process will pop up, and then you guys will see that facial recognition successfully will pop up from the room display. That means I just check in successfully. The facial recognition feature is now available on room display model number DS7310. Alright, let's take a look at another method, QR code scanning. First of all, let's get back to the system and find Room Preferences again. In the Authentication Method window, select the QR code to enable it. Now, before the meeting starts, we should click the check-in button on the room display. Once I tap it, a QR code will pop up from the room display. The organizer or any participant of this meeting should verify their account by scanning this QR code using Yeastar Workplace web portal or any third-party software. Once verified successfully, I just check in for this meeting room. And actually, those two options can be enabled at the same time, so users can choose whichever they prefer. That's a simple demo of the identity authentication feature. For the further step, you can integrate Yeastar Meeting Room Booking System with your existing door access control devices to realize deeper operations within the system. As a spoiler, Use your ID card to realize the identity authentication will be supported soon. Well guys, that's what we've got for you today. Feel free to contact our team for further information and start your free trial today. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and I will see you guys real soon.